If you need a multi-process machine for less than $200 that does all the processes very well, you need to watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Get Weld Soon. So today we have a Hynade welding machine. I'm probably not even saying that right. I don't know. I've never heard of them, but they contacted me and asked me to do a review on the weld machine. So I said, sure. And this is a multi-process welding machine. It TIG, stick, or MIG welds. So it's small, as you can see, really lightweight, easy to carry around or whatever. It's 110 or 220. Here's the little, it takes the little small spools in here. Most of this stuff in here looks plastic, which may or may not last a long time. I don't know. I got some it comes with 70S6 hard wire, or it comes with some flux core wire also, 70S. It comes with a strap to put on it, so you can just throw it over your shoulder and carry it easy. It comes with some extra tips for the MIG gun, 3 extra tips, a couple of hose clamps, and of course the different, it comes with a wheel for the flux core wire, and here's the wheel for the hard wire, and it's 030 wire. So make sure you got the right wheel in there, and it just goes on this little motor right here. Just goes on there, and this is pretty cool. The way this is, it just goes over it. So it goes like this. So make sure you do this before you put your wire through there. So because it has to go on like this, goes back and then spins and locks in like that, and then you can put your wire through there. Of course, it comes with a 110 adapter. So I'm gonna put that on, plug it into 110, on switch back here, turn that on. And it's got this wire feeder button right here. Make sure you have your tip took off. Hit that button. Oh, hang on. It's got to be on MIG mode. Hit that button, runs it right through. Now you're ready to MIG. Put your tip back on. Nozzle back on. Flip it off. There you go. Your wire's fed through. You're ready. Of course, you got to hook your argon to it. There's a fitting back here. Okay, guys, I got the argon hooked up to the machine so that we can MIG weld. Let's see how it does. I'm gonna try some vertical right here. It is hooked up to a 220, and it's all the way up on 145. So we'll see how it goes. Really? Well, I'll tell you what. This is ridiculous. I'll show you. Laid in there slick. I'm talking about slick, pal. Can't get it to focus. So slick it can't even focus on it. On 110, I got it on 90 amps. It shows that it goes all the way up to 105. On 110, that's kind of hard to believe, but maybe so. I don't know how they get that out of it, but we're gonna try it on 90, see how it does. I'm burning 7018, 332. Let's see what happens. Huh. Okay. I'll tell you what, that thing fired right up. A lot of these little machines are a little rough starting, but I don't know if it was luck or what, but that thing fired right up and took off. See if it does it again. Wow, that little thing, the stick runs really well, like real well. I cranked right up on a cold pipe, cold rods. They're not even, I didn't even heat them up. It fired right up with no problem. That's pretty impressive. Wow. I kind of can't believe it. Huh. Keep going. How do they make these things so cheap? Run so good. That definitely the stick part of it runs really well. Like it does great. And this is on 110. Plugged into a 110 outlet. It runs very good. No complaints at all. It fires right up like it's got a hot start or something. Like it is very smooth. Very smooth. Very impressed for a 110 deal. Wow. Well, it did really well stick welding. So now let's try the TIG. Now, whoa. Can't believe I didn't break my cup. Anyway, it doesn't come with a TIG rig. This is my own. This is my TIG rig. So you will have to buy a TIG rig to TIG weld with it. But all right, let's see how it does. Oh yeah. Check it out. Pretty freaking sweet. Squeaking free. And keep in mind, this is on 110. Burning 332 rods. 332 wire. Okay. And it did really well. Just had to go a little bit slow, which is expected. This is 1/2-inch plate. So yeah, and the plate's cold too, so that doesn't help. So you're trying to heat that hot plate up and melt it all in together. But it did really well. Let's put it on 220. All right, so now it's plugged into 220 amps. And it's on, it's set on 145 amps. That's as high as it goes. We'll see how this works. And it is a true lift arc. So you can see me touch the tungsten to the metal and lift it up and it fires up. Man, yeah. Look at that. Later in there, pretty slick. Very nice. Pretty darn good. TIG, stick, and MIG really well for less than $200. Well under $200. I believe it was like 100 and, I think I saw it on sale for $145, if I remember right. It might have been 170. Don't quote me on that. You can check out the link below just to make sure. But I know it was well under $200. This is crazy. Like, I don't know how they make these machines so cheap, but run so good. So if you need a weld machine at home, you know, just to weld here and there, or maybe even quite a lot, I don't know, in your shop or whatever, you need to get one of these. If you do all the processes, if you need to TIG, stick, and MIG, I would definitely get one of these. Like I have an arc, or not arc, a Vulcan machine, Vulcan Omni Pro 220, and I love it. Don't get me wrong, but I paid $1,000 for it. And this little machine here runs just as good. It may not last as long, but shoot, you could buy 5 of them by the time you pay for one of those. So, I mean, even if it tears up next year, I mean, you spent less than $200 on a weld machine. So, it's anyway, I recommend checking one out. I'm really impressed with this little Hynade, if I'm saying that correctly. I don't even know. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comment below. Check out the link if you're interested in checking it out. Thanks, have a good one.